Well, I'm Box. I'm a structural engineer at Solar Team Eindhoven.
My name is Stella. I'm a master's student in mechanical engineering at the Eindhoven University of Technology.
And with a team of 22 students, we built a solar RV in a year.
Which is basically an RV, but then based around use of solar panels and being energy efficient.
So we had 8 months to go from a design, manufacture the RV and finalize it.
And we took that car on a journey of 3,000 kilometers to the most southern tip of Europe, which is Tarifa in Spain.
Of course, we were supported by the university, financially and both knowledge-based.
We were supported products-wise and knowledge-based by many different companies, which we had to find ourselves, one of which was Henkel.
They helped us a lot with knowledge about how to apply adhesives, how to design for adhesives, and they guided us along the way. And we started using adhesives a lot more for structural purposes.
These kind of engineering projects are always interesting and boost innovation. We are glad we could share our expertise and experience to the students and discover together new applications.
So they helped us along the way, but they also have a sustainable vision, so they want to create safer products for the environment and for humans as well.
For structural bonding applications where strength and stiffness is required, we used our 2-component epoxy. And for applications where strength and flexibility is required, we used our 2-component polyurethane. For fast curing on both interior and exterior applications, we advise our instant bonders for fast curing and our latest developments on sustainability like LOCTITE 401, 403 and 460.
The chassis is built mostly around metals, but almost all the exterior is built from glass fiber or carbon fiber, which allowed us to make it very lightweight and also make the streamlined aerodynamic shapes of the car.
In hindsight, building the solar RV, we couldn't have really done it without adhesives because we used a lot of carbon fiber or fiber reinforced plastic.
The exterior of the car is glued to the chassis with adhesives because it was not possible to use bolts and rivets here because the material is not suited for it and because the bolts would undermine the streamlined shape of the car.
We could really have incorporated it more in the design phase, so we could have made more use of adhesive in a better way.
When going through the process of making our car road legal, we found many minor issues that had to be fixed last minute, literally the same day we found them. And for this, instant adhesives were a great solution because we were able to fix things the moment we found them and not have a very long production time.
How I look at adhesives now has really changed with regard to in the previous year. I had a really conservative view on adhesives. I tended to use bolts and rivets. Throughout the past year, the world of adhesives has really opened up to me. I've learned to use it as a structural bonding way that is also very aesthetically pleasing and fast in production. So I would advise the next generation to start using adhesives sooner and incorporate it in the design phase and not only as a last-minute solution.